Last week, we reached a milestone of 100 subscribers, and I couldn't have imagined achieving this in just 3 weeks. I owe it all to you, and I'm genuinely grateful. I'd like to take this opportunity to share a bit more about this channel and its future direction. For every 50 steps or so, I'll create a video featuring a comprehensive story, incorporating all the vocabulary we've learned up to that point, as well as introducing new words, which you should be able to grasp through context. At the end of each story, I'll include a short quiz with multiple choice questions to test your comprehension. To make it easier for you to review, I'll update the video descriptions with links to the original videos, where specific vocabulary was first introduced. As I mentioned in a previous video, words we've already covered won't be translated in subsequent videos. However, if you ever need a refresher, you can easily find the relevant video link in the description. Concerning French grammar, I'd like to briefly clarify the use of the articles le and la. When an article is written as L followed by an apostrophe, it's because the subsequent word starts with a vowel. This is done to streamline pronunciation and is called an ellipse. You may have noticed this in sentences like
l'agent de police, l'élève, l'écureuil.
Additionally, note that in French, the final consonant is usually silent, although it may be pronounced when the following word starts with a vowel, a phenomenon known as liaison. Examples of this include
Nous apprenons un arbre, trois oiseaux.
Alongside French, I'm excited to introduce Spanish as the next language we'll explore. Having studied Spanish since middle school and living in Bordeaux, France, near the Spanish border, I've had numerous opportunities to practice my Spanish in Spain. I am incredibly grateful for your support, and I never take it for granted. I'll create another celebratory video when we reach 200 subscribers. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. To wrap up this video, I'll say a few words in French, Spanish, and Japanese. I'll save the other languages I know for future videos.
Bonjour à tous, merci pour votre soutien continu. C'est un plaisir de partager cette aventure avec vous. Sachez que je suis très dévoué à cette chaîne et je continuerai à publier des vidéos régulièrement. À bientôt dans la prochaine vidéo. Hola a todos, gracias por su apoyo constante. Es un placer estar con ustedes en esta aventura. Quiero que sepan que estoy muy comprometido con este canal y seguiré subiendo videos regularmente. Nos vemos en el próximo video. 皆さん、こんにちは。いつものサポートに感謝します。この冒険を一緒に楽しむことができて嬉しいです。このチャンネルに力を入れており、定期的に動画をアップロードし続けます。次の動画でお会いしましょう。